Now's the time to start your woodworking business. Reason number 4. Life is short. If you put off starting your own business, you might never get off the launching pad. Starting your own wood shop is probably something you've thought about doing before. Maybe you've been thinking about it for years. But for whatever reason, you haven't yet made it happen. Now is the time. There's an old Chinese proverb that goes like this: the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. There is wisdom to be found in those words that pertains to you and the woodworking business you've been thinking of starting. Sure, it would have been great to have started 20 years ago, establishing your business. Imagine where you could be right now. But all that is behind you. The past is history and the future, somewhat of a mystery. But you could begin gaining better control of your destiny and taking the future in your hands by starting in business today. You don't need much. And, you might even be able to start from home. The thing is, there will never be a better time than right now. It's going to take effort, energy, and time to launch your woodshop. And time is not on anyone's side. Each day is given but once. And then, it is gone forever. Since plenty of effort and energy is necessary for a successful business, isn't it better to start today, rather than 5 to 10 years down the line? Do you think you'll be more energetic in 10 years' time? I highly doubt it. Today, you are as young and vibrant as you're ever going to be. You're in the best possible position to start now and build on what you've got, rather than waiting for things to be perfect. Look, there are no guarantees in life. Nobody can predict how the future will unfold. Life is just too short to let an important dream die. If you keep putting off starting your woodworking shop, you might never get around to it. And that would be a shame. The world needs what you can bring to the marketplace. There's no question about it. But you have to be willing to take the leap. Jump in, and tell the world, or, at least your local market, about all your business has to offer. Time flies. A decade can pass before you know it. 10 years from now you could own a well-established business. Or you could be kicking yourself for not getting started. Don't wait another day. Click on the link below, in the description, for the most useful education you can get on starting a woodworking business of your own, today.